In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to Notion. Whether you're just getting started with Notion or looking to upgrade your current plan, I'll walk you through every step of the subscription process. Let's dive in and make sure you have access to all the features you need. First, we need to sign into your Notion account. Go to the Notion website or open the app on your device and enter your login credentials. It's essential to ensure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for personal or professional purposes. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your Notion workspace. Next, let's navigate to the settings. Look to the left sidebar and you'll find a variety of options that help you customize your Notion experience. Click on Settings to open a new menu where you'll have the ability to manage various aspects of your account. This next step is where we start focusing on your subscription. From the Settings menu, select Billing. In some cases, this might also appear as Plans and Billing. By clicking here, you'll be able to view your current subscription status, billing history, and other related details. Now it's time to choose the plan that best meets your needs. Click on Change Plan or Upgrade. Notion offers several options, catering to different levels of usage and collaboration. If you only plan to use Notion for personal projects, the free plan might be sufficient. However, if you're working with teams and need more robust features, consider the Plus or Business plans. These plans offer enhanced collaboration tools, larger file uploads, and more extended page history, which can be invaluable for team projects and tracking changes over time. If you're in a business setting that demands tailored options and the highest level of security, the Enterprise plan might be what you're looking for. This plan comes with custom pricing and enterprise-grade security to give you peace of mind in larger organizational contexts. After selecting the right plan, decide on your billing preference. You can choose either monthly or annual billing. Annual billing often saves you some money over time, so it's worth considering if it's financially viable for you. Now enter your payment information into the provided fields. It's crucial to double-check this information to avoid any payment issues that can disrupt your service. Before finalizing your subscription, take a moment to review your order details. Make sure that the plan and billing frequency you've selected are correct. Once everything looks good, click Subscribe or Confirm, and there you have it. You've successfully subscribed to Notion with a plan tailored to your needs. Use these steps to ensure you're getting the most out of your Notion experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides.